1, 2, 3, 4.
So as they're underway, ladies and gentlemen, you out in the audience can find yourselves a winner already up under the springboard from Victoria. You can see as they make their presence felt and start to go up that tree. Up there, we've got the girls from Tasmania, from Queensland. We have the opportunity as well as we go up into the block from father and sons to two brothers, and also for our Victorians, if you can watch and you're from either of those states or areas, won't be long before we start to get up there and watch as they scallop into the top of the tree. Quick, hard, fast event. They put a front in that tree and just watch how the leverage they get out onto that board as they start to come into the top and take half the tree. Then when they come down, they'll start to the other side. All of them blow for blow. We said on the introduction how much world champions they are and how many they won. Will it go to Tasmania, Victoria or Queensland? All of that yet to be unfolded, and you can help to see. Watch the girls. Along with that, you can keep our minds open as we look at the Hewitts up that far end as we have them come down to make their way as they go with the 1, 2, 3 scarf. They make stepping down, pulling the boards with them as they go around. Brian Wagner down on tree number 3 as he starts coming down. 1, 2, 3 count as he goes. Make the scarf, throw the axe, and he'll grab into the springboards. Put them in the tongue in. Come on, let's see how we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see how it is. Guys, number 1. Just watch. We've got Daniel Gurr, Matthew Gurr, father and son. As they scramble up into number 2 position. Into place to go. And we watch as we continue to make our way down on the number. As we continue on there, then we've got Josh Adamson. Brian Wagner on 3. Josh Adamson down on tree number 4. Matthew Gurr, tree number 5. Newman from up on the Queensland border, Gold Coast region. Down on number 8, we got Lizzie Hewitt. There we got Meyer from Victoria on tree number 7. Puts his board in. Now what's up into the top of the tree? Is there one Daniel Gurr, one down from there. Hewitt. Daniel Gurr, one down from there. We've got Brian Wagner. Daniel Gurr very pleased and very happy. Bringing along on the field, we have Josh Adamson down from there. Matthew Gurr, which is Daniel's father, down here. As we go towards the end of the field, we will also have Campbell Newman. That's our 7th block, and we come down along the line. Still to go. Meyer from Victoria down on tree number 7, tree number 8, hitting with all his might. Lindsay Hewitt up from there. Campbell Newman. Then again, still coming home. They got the drive in. It's not far between them all to complete. Matthew Gurr on tree at number 5. The other 4 there above them have completed the exercise. Now, who will be next? Won't be long before the top of the tree will move. What's number? As we say, Matthew Gurr 5, will it be him or will it be Campbell on tree number 6? Keep your eye on both of those next. Tasmania and Queensland. Making our way along the line there on tree, and now we go one down on number 6, the Queenslander, Campbell Newman. One down from there, Blake Meyer from Victoria. Down here, Lindsay Hewitt, tree number 8. Let's bring home the other 2, ladies and gentlemen. One from Queensland, we do have Campbell Newman. The other one, we do have is Blake Meyer.